Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see today, we are colorful. As always, that's nothing new to me. So today's video is going to be a first impressions slash try on haul. If you guys remember, last week I posted a video where I did an Ulta haul. So today we are testing out all the products that I purchased in my haul. If you guys missed that and want to watch that first, I will have it linked up here or here. You can just click on that, watch that, and then come back to this video. But yeah, it's going to be pretty much a full face of first impressions. And I'm going to let you guys know at the end whether most of these products were a hit or a miss. And of course, we are doing a colorful eye tutorial. Like, who is she without a colorful eye tutorial? So that is it for me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay posted with all my videos. I do post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget, Mondays are Makeup Mondays for all my makeup lovers out there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this first impressions slash hit or miss. I'm going to start off by applying some of the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm. So, I think the color, oh my god, I have a hair on my face. There we go. I think this is the color like peach or something. It's kind of hard to like squeeze out. But once you get it, it's like super thick. Once you get it on there, like melt on your lips. I've already primed my face because I don't have a new primer. If you guys are wondering what I'm using, I'm still using the Catrice 1 Minute Face Perfector. So now let's go in with the foundation. I am so excited to try this. When I first bought it, I did like swatch it on my skin, but I haven't like actually worn it for a full day. So make sure you guys check either the comment section or the description box so you can see how I like this foundation. But I think I'm really gonna like it. So this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. The shade I am in is 20C or medium 100W. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take it on a sponge. This is one of the new e.l.f. retro sponges. I thought I got it on my shirt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and push it into the skin. Oh, that's actually going to be a pretty good match. Yeah, I feel like that's going to suit me pretty well. I know this foundation isn't like super full coverage. It's like medium to full coverage. But that's okay because even though I love like full on coverage, like one swipe and I am done, I don't mind building it up. Especially because this one does give you a more dewy appearance. I like that. I'm now going to go in with my Dose of Colors concealer. This is in the shade Medium Tan. I've been dying to try this concealer, but I was like, nope, you gotta wait, you gotta wait, you gotta wait. So here we are today. I did color correct because I've been having, you guys, I am at that point in my pregnancy where I am not comfortable in like one position. I'm not comfortable in another position. I get hot so easily and my house is freezing cold at night. The struggle is real. I'm so ready for this like baby to be here and for me to go back to some sort of normality because man, my sleeping schedule is rough right now. And I have to get ready because school is starting back soon. Really, really soon. Literally, we are so close to August. What the heck, you guys? How does time fly? How? Lonnie's going back to school. I mean, she's not going into school. We decided to homeschool her because of everything that's going on. Schools here in Utah are requiring all kids to wear masks. And on top of that, we are going to have a newborn at home. And we're just worried that she might bring something home. And you guys know babies, they're very vulnerable and they can get sick very, very easily. And obviously we don't want her to get sick either. So we decided to homeschool her until hopefully things go back to normal if this pandemic ever goes away, which honestly, I'm not holding my breath. I don't think this is going away anytime soon. I think we're going to be like this for at least another year. So I would love to know, all my mamas out there, what are you guys doing? Like, what is your plan? And please don't judge other moms if they decide to homeschool or send their kids to school. Like, everybody has their own opinion and they're entitled to deciding whatever they want. But I would love for you guys to share with me in the comment section what do you guys think and what you guys are going to do, because we were so indecisive. Like, we were ready to send her back to school, and then we found out, you know, all these things are happening, and the masks that they have to wear all day, and they were like, you know what, we're gonna have a newborn at home. It's just not worth the risk. For my powder, I am trying out the Essence myskin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder. Oh my gosh. Instant Blur Effect, which is this one, and I think this is in light. And I'm just going to bake underneath the eyes. This is supposed to make your skin look super soft, almost like you have a filter. So let's see how this looks. Now for bronzer, since I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't count. I'm gonna try the Makeup Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in the shade Light. Now remember, you guys, this ain't light. Like, this is pretty dark. Some of you were saying that I guess this line was meant for deeper skin tones, which that makes me so happy that they are noticing my deep brown biscuits. So we're gonna try it. Hopefully it works out for me. If it doesn't, you know, oh well. I'm gonna take the light one and I'm gonna use that to like contour a little bit. I usually go in with a cool tone bronzer anyways, so that is a little deep. But if you're light-handed, I feel like maybe you can make it work, but I don't feel comfortable applying this specific color all over my skin because I feel like it's going to make me look a little muddy. See how it has a really, really cool undertone, but for just carving out the cheekbones, this is not bad. It's very silky, so it does blend out really nicely, which I like. I like that. So let's try this one. This is another one by Makeup Revolution, but this is Revolution Pro. I am going to take a bigger fluffy brush and I'm going to barely dip my brush in there. Oh, this is so dark. Yikes. Okay. What a fail, you guys. I totally failed with the bronzers. Yeah, this is too deep and it's too red. But again, if you are a deeper brown biscuit, girl, you need this. This is going to look so pretty on you. So those two, unfortunately, are a no-go for me. I'm going to try the Catrice Sungasm Illuminating Bronzer. So this isn't a matte bronzer, which is not what I typically go for. But you know what? We're going to go for it today. So I'm just going to take that and bronze up the skin a bit. Oh my gosh, I feel like the brush still had some of that bronzer on it. So I'm going to have to go back and like really work it in. Oh my gosh. That's okay. We're not going to complain. So this one is definitely lighter. And it does give you a really pretty, like, luminous look to the skin, which I like, especially for, like, summer. I just like to be bronzy and glowing. I'm not even going to trip chocolate chip. I'm just going to move on to my blush. I am going to take the ColourPop Interstellar Press Powder Blush. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Like I said, I've never tried this ColourPop formula before. I actually haven't tried ColourPop in quite some time. I really wanted to get their new collection, you guys. If you saw it on Trend Mood's page, it is so pretty. It just really reminded me of like back home. If you guys don't know, I am originally from New Mexico, and in New Mexico, like, it's all desert, cactuses, dried up everything. And when I saw their new collection, like, it just gave me vibes from back home. By the time that I jumped on the ColourPop website, they had a few items that were sold out, and I did not want to make the mistake of buying new, or not the entire collection. So I was just like, you know what, I guess I'm gonna skip on it. So if you guys still want to see a review on that collection, let me know and maybe I can still do it. But yeah, this blush is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, this is driving me insane. I'm gonna move on to my highlighter. So this is another Makeup Revolution product, but this is I Heart Revolution, and this is their Tasty Apple highlighter. I haven't tried anything from I Heart Revolution, I don't think, so I am looking forward to this. I'm going to use this one because I like to use this brush when I use baked highlighters. This is the Delium Tools Golden Triangle Large Tapered Blending Brush. Oh my gosh. I am going to quickly just set the skin since I'm pretty much done with the base. I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Watermelon Dewy Makeup Mist. Alright you guys, and let's go ahead and jump into the exciting part for me, which is obviously the eyeshadow. I have 3 palettes that I am going to try my hardest to play with. The Revolution, or Makeup Revolution Neon Not a Dream eyeshadow palette, which is this one. This is the one that's like kind of calling my name. Then we have Electric Dreams, and then we also have here Party Vibes. So again, I am going to go in with this one first, and hopefully I can like dive into all of them. If not, I will be sure to maybe use them in an upcoming video. I am going to jump into the Not a Dream palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade. It's like a light creamsicle shade. And there is a lot of pigment, but there's also a lot of fallouts. You guys know that I don't like to set my lids, so I am going in with a wet base. I'm just going to make sure that there is no like wrinkles that I've set in, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Ooh, that is pigmented, honey. That is really, really pretty. If you guys are wondering what brush I'm using, this is the Morphe M505. And I'm just going to apply this into the crease. There is a lot of kick up, but again, like we are seeing a lot of pigment, which is definitely okay with me. I'm jumping into the Not a Dream palette, and I'm going to take that red shade. I'm going to take it on a smaller brush. This is the ColourPop E19. And we're just going to dig into the palette. Wow, this is a really pretty true red. And I'm also going to throw that into the crease. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease just like I normally do. After I've cut my crease, I am going to take the palette again, the Not a Dream palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like an orangey, peachy, reddish, rose gold. I don't even know what color it is, but I'm just going to lay this all over the lid. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this lid shade. Okay, I'm going to add a pop of color to the lower lash line. So I'm first going to take this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Vivid. I'm going to run that through the waterline. And then I'm going to take Party Vibes. And I'm going to take the deepest purple, which is this one right here. Oh, that is pretty. And I am going to apply that in the lower lash line. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. We love. I'm going to dip my brush. Okay, that's really light. I thought it was going to be a little more intense. I think I'm going to mix it with this one right next to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on some lashes. If you guys remember, I told you that I've been obsessed with Splendor and Indulgence I feel like I want to go in with Splendor, so I'm actually going to look for an old pair because I don't want to use these just yet. And then we can come back and add a little bit of lipstick to our lips, and this look will be snatched and complete. So for the lips, I'm going to take the Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon by Milani. And here is the final look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love how this look turned out. I want to do a quick little recap on the products that I just tested out, since this is a first impressions. You guys know how I feel about these bronzers. Definitely not for me. I really was hoping that these were going to work out for me, but I honestly don't even think I'm going to keep them. I am probably going to return them because I just have no use for them. And I know some of you were suggesting for me to use them as eyeshadows, but I don't know that I want to do that. So these were a total fail for me, as well as the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer. This one was also really dark and too red. The only one that kind of went with my skin tone was the one by Catrice. This one doesn't have as much pigment, and it is a little more of a luminous finish, which I liked. Definitely not my favorite bronzer, but I'm not mad at it. Can't say enough about the ColourPop blush. I think it looks really pretty on the skin. I feel like this blush is really universal. It'll look really pretty on light skinned biscuits, and then medium skinned biscuits, light tan, and deeper skinned biscuits. Oh my god, that is a mouthful. So definitely love this one. The Dose of Colors concealer, oh my god, I love this. I feel like it really did a good job at just concealing any darkness and really looking really smooth. With that said, this powder, I actually really like it. I feel like the under eyes look very smooth. They don't look dry, like it doesn't absorb too much of your natural oils. So really enjoyed that one. I really do like this lipstick by Milani. I think it's really pretty, really creamy. It just glides on the lips like nothing. Absolutely love the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. I am going to keep you guys updated as far as how it wears on the skin, but honestly, I think it's going to be like one of my new go-tos. So love that. Definitely loved the highlighter by I Heart Revolution. It's really pretty. I like that you can like work with it and then make it a little bit more intensified. Indulgence are the lashes that I went in instead of Splendor, because I feel like these are a little more open and you could just see the eyeshadow a little bit better. You guys already know that I love these lashes. I really do like this setting spray. I don't know how well it's going to hold up, so again, keep an eye in the description box or in the comment section, but I love the scent on that. And of course, last but not least are the Revolution palettes. Love these, you guys. These are super affordable. I think they are absolutely stunning. I just love how this eye look turned out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions videos. I definitely think that these were more of a hit than a miss. I had a few misses, but overall I am happy with my purchase. So thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and for my videos to just get pushed and more people can see them. So again, thank you for your time. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.